everybody, short day for me again. Where am I right now? You may be thinking that I'm in Slovenia. Actually, you are wrong. Okay, I've actually crossed the border. I'm not in Croatia, okay, Croatia. Okay, right now I'm on my way to the town of Pula. This is actually a practical when we're doing a short break. My people are going in to buy things. Well, I think the weather is surprisingly very warm. I think it's 32 degrees, so not too much difference from Singapore. Well, hopefully that as the day passes, in the night time it will be cooler. Okay, so more than come later on, and I let the camera zoom and show you the surrounding areas, and quite interesting so far. Okay, bye bye. Hi everybody, I'm now in Pula in Croatia. This is actually an amphitheater, which actually was a duplicate from Rome, because this place was actually occupied by Romans centuries ago. So they created a building that's similar to this. So this is actually for gladiator shows, gladiator fights. Very interesting. So it's glad to be seeing all this. Let the camera zoom and show you what a new journey. Hi everybody, this is in Pula, Croatia. I've just shown you my hotel. This is actually a 5-star boutique hotel called the Mozart Hotel. Well, I think the room, as you can see, is very cozy, very homely type of feeling. I think this is one of the more vintage type of hotel rooms that I've stayed, which I think is very good, very classic. And the good thing about this room is that, okay, when I walk out to the balcony, immediately you can see the very beautiful Adriatic Ocean. Okay, you can see right in front of me. Okay, so later I may even go out to have a walk along the beaches, along the shoreline, and then there are people who are dining at the cafeteria and all that. So this is a very nice room, and if you like pink color in particular, I think this is the place that you must stay. Okay, so I think it will be a very good stay for me. Okay, so more to come later on as I proceed to the other parts of the city when I roam around after my dinner. Okay, bye. Hi everybody. The time now is about 8:45 p.m. Earlier I will share with you about my hotel room, very cozy and nice. So I just had my dinner. So now I'm going to take a walk around the small little town. I'm still in Pula, this place. Right in front of me actually very nice Adriatic Sea. I think I was showing you a bit earlier on. Very nice coastline. People are actually having a dinner, having a drink and all that. So I'm going to explore the town to see anything that I can get before I return to my hotel for a rest. Anyway, it has been a very good trip so far, so good. And let the camera zoom and show you how cozy and how little village it is. But even though it is small, but nice. Okay, bye.